Hudson is back, and she's getting psyched up. She's going to show us all the exercises she does right in her own home. And once she did to transform her body, you got a crazy schedule. Now, how do you make time for this?
You know, if you want to just make time. So I just created trilogy.
A trilogy?
Where you come and you do 3 exercises.
Okay.
Whatever you want to work on, that's what you work on, okay? And it only takes like 15 minutes. You don't need a gym, you don't need anything. You just need yourself. And you need to know how to count. You ready?
That's it?
That's it.
But a lot of folks sitting at home right now saying, you know, I'll do it tomorrow. How do you take the first step? That's always the most difficult thing.
Don't think about it. I'm one of those people sitting on the couch, man, I gotta get up, put my shoes on. Ooh, that look far. I just say, literally, I would sit on the couch like this, like, God, I don't feel like it. And then I'll just think, so if I don't think, okay, get up, and I'll just run out the door. I promise, and just go for it. Don't think about it, just do it.
You know, Transformation Nation is a big physical fitness element. What do you think about the program? What do you think about us getting all those folks doing that?
I think it's amazing because health is so important. It's like, just take that time for you. And so I think it's something that we should make our children more aware of to get into fitness and health and all of that good stuff.
Well,
I just think it's
all
amazing.
right, I learned how to count. So we're going to start off. We got 3 basic programs for the trilogy. Okay, take me through it.
So I'm going to start you with the squat first.
The squat.
So let's try to get in position for a squat. You want to do 25 of them.
25?
Okay? Yeah, we're not going to do 25 because I don't think you got that kind of time. So let's get to it. Are you ready? Okay,
ready.
Here we go. And just do your squat.
There we are.
Like, you know, like you letting your butt touch the chair.
What chair?
Just imagine the chair.
Imagine the chair.
Don't try to sit in it, though, or you'll be on the floor.
All right.
So that, you want to do that.
All right.
Are you counting?
That's 12.
Okay.
And why did you decide to do these? How'd you pick this exercise?
Because, you know, you want to work your butt and all of that good stuff. Or whatever you feel is important. Like, oh, I don't like the way my arms look in that dress. I don't like the way this looks. So pick out 3 or so different exercises that works on those parts of your body that you might not be pleased with. Right. Okay. And then you want to do a sit-up.
Okay.
Ready to do a sit-up?
We can do sit-ups.
All right.
Any fancy way to do sit-ups?
It's just the best way you can. All right. Again, make it work for you. All right. All right. Oh, you already got started.
I'm 1 ahead of you.
1.
We'll do 5.
Yeah, because I'm not doing all of those.
And how many do you normally do? 25 of these?
Yep. And it's a struggle. It gets hard.
Yeah.
But that's when you know, you got to push yourself to do that. You see, I got slick. I started talking.
I like
you
that.
You kept going.
She's
okay,
slick.
but I'm going to do 1 more. And then you sit up, but we all know how to do that. And then 1 more. Okay. I'm going to let you do that part. So you get on the floor. I'm
doing this without you. Push-ups?
And you do a push-up.
All right.
He do it the male way.
No.
I'm going to do it the girly way. How about that?
On the knees?
Get pretty, okay, ladies? And then, you ready?
Yeah. 1, 2. We'll do 25 of these?
Yeah.
You are strong. Look at that. Look at that.
I can't do it the male way, though.
All right.
And that's all it is.
All right, now, that's the trilogy. 3 exercises that you love, that you knew when you were a kid. You make them come alive. You also, I understand, jump rope.
I do. I mean, you know, this is the exercises that we did as kids and didn't realize we were exercising because we was having so much fun.
Exactly right.
So I love, even to this day, to do things that are fun because then you don't realize you're working out because you're enjoying yourself at the same time.
You ready to go?
Yeah, but we used to jump double dutch.
Double dutch. Oh, gosh. Oh, she's...
Don't tangle your rope in my rope.
She's...
What you got, Dr. Oz? Come on.
I love that. Whoa! Whoa! All right, now, the last little bit. I mean, I got to say, I absolutely love, let me just put you back together again for 1 second. I absolutely love basketball.
I love basketball.
I adore basketball.
That's my favorite.
So, I brought a couple balls from home.
Oh, they pretty,
You get 1. So, I'm going to see these moves. They're pretty, aren't they?
I think you got more air in your ball than I do, though.
So what do you... Oh, she stole my ball!
What? Wait. Ha-ha.
She stole my ball.
You didn't see that coming.
I didn't see that coming. Jennifer Hudson! Jennifer Hudson, she is the best. All the wonderful advice today for the lives that you have changed. I celebrate you.
Thank you.
I love your book. In fact, I love it so much. Everyone in the studio audience. You're all going home with a copy of I Got This. It's out today.
Thank you.
When we come back, are you ready to make 2012 the year you transform yourself once and for all? Find out how. Stay with us. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss out on new videos to live the good life.